Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start in the app or web with your account already signed in. Open your profile, tap the three-line menu, then select your activity. This centralizes all actions. Once there, filter immediately by category like likes, comments, or searches so you don't scroll aimlessly. Use the search box to jump to a date range or keyword. Doing this first saves time and prevents missing older activity buried under recent items. It also shows why Instagram groups things by type. Once you select a category, scroll carefully and use date filters to move through months quickly. Tap any entry to open the related post or profile so you see context and exact timestamps. That explains why the item appeared. If you need cleanup, pick Manage or select multiple items to delete or archive in bulk. Make sure to confirm each deletion since some actions cannot be undone, and understand that clearing searches differs from removing likes or comments. Finish by performing the desired action. Clear search history, remove likes/comments, or archive posts to tidy your history. After you make changes, sync may take a few minutes. Log out and back in or refresh to confirm updates. If history won't load, update the app first, then test your internet connection and restart the device. If the problem persists, revoke and regrant app permissions. These steps resolve most sync and display issues, so your activity reflects accurately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.